Did you know that certain vegetables can naturally lower your blood pressure? Stick around to discover the top 10 amazing veggies that can help you manage hypertension. Did you know that approximately 50% of all adults in the United States suffer from excessive blood pressure? Today, we'll explore 10 amazing vegetables that can help you naturally lower your blood pressure and improve your overall health. We chose these vegetables based on their proven effects on lowering blood pressure, nutritional value, and ease of incorporation into daily diets. First on our list is spinach. This leafy green is a nutrient powerhouse packed with high levels of potassium and magnesium, both essential for blood pressure regulation. Spinach is also rich in nitrates, which help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Next up are beets. Beets are rich in nitrates that convert to nitric oxide, aiding in blood vessel dilation. Studies have shown that drinking beet juice can significantly lower blood pressure within hours. Our third pick is celery. Celery contains phthalides, compounds that relax artery walls and promote healthy blood flow. Eating just a few stalks daily can help lower your blood pressure naturally. Fourth on our list is garlic. Garlic's sulfur compounds stimulate the production of nitric oxide, reducing hypertension. Regular garlic consumption is linked to reduced systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. Coming in fifth is kale. Kale boasts high levels of antioxidants and potassium, crucial for maintaining optimal blood pressure. Incorporating kale into your diet can provide significant cardiovascular benefits. To recap, these vegetables are powerful allies in your fight against high blood pressure. Incorporating them into your diet can have a profound impact on your cardiovascular health. What surprised you the most? Have you tried any of these veggies for lowering blood pressure? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, take care of yourself and thanks for watching.